getting past the assumptions is just really, really difficult, especially when you want something, you see? Or you want it to be a certain way, or you're trying to make it a certain way, right? See, trying to make it a certain way. And I would notice that, like, say, when I would try to find a technique, I knew it was there. See, and you probably don't understand what that means, but I was inventing the art. Like I said, I pulled some from here and from there and like that, and then recreated from the ground up, because I was not bound at all by tradition or anything I learned. It made no difference to me whatsoever. It was just this, okay, humans do this, humans do that, I'll do it really better. I'll do it in a very different way that is consistent with what I'm trying to do with the art. But at least half of the stuff, like I said, I'd come about in playing, and then just, okay, here's something. And then some of it was like, I know there's something here. I know there's something here. I can feel it. There's something in this domain. Circular spiral extension comes to mind because it was definitely one of them. And I know there's something here. See, and it's a little bit of a complex technique. And there really is something there. I mean, there really is this fabulous, it's great, but I could not find it. I couldn't find it. And I abused student after student after student, my staff mostly, see, searching and just trashing them. That's not it. And I can be sometimes a little obsessive, and so, because I'm trying to find it. So I don't want to waste time. See? So I just stack people up like cordwood and throw them, you see, and adjust and try this and adjust and try this and adjust and try. And I kept trying different stuff, but I could see my mind kept going down a certain road, see, because there was it's in here, and that created like an image of the here with which it was in, which was in some ways true, but also in some ways really not true. You see what I'm saying? So I kept driving. It took me weeks, months of effort. and whatever, bruises in my and just going again and again and again and again and again. And finally, see, that the reason this is an example, finally I started to get, it's like, no, this is not working. I keep trying to make it work this way. It's a little bit like I keep trying to make it work in a circular but linear fashion, and I got to stop that. I kind of got to give that up. And so I started really experimenting things like going backwards. You don't have to understand what that means, but like doing the opposite of what I wanted to do, what I thought I needed to do. So I would do the opposite. Did it work? No. See, but I was breaking my mind free of what I thought, the groove that I was in, because it was not, I wasn't finding it. I wasn't finding it. And then slowly started to piece things together, and then one thing I gave up, this domain. See, I was stuck on this domain and started in this domain. See? And then I found it. See, it's like, and this domain at the end. Okay? See, but this was the important part. See, that triangle. And that was not there. And then finally when I got it, and in relationship to the other person. Anyway, I go on. But see, it's like the assumptions, that driving at the same way. See, and I had to break that out. And this is probably always true. You see, because if you can't do something, guess what? You can't do something. And doing it the way you're trying to do it will still not work. See how that works? Right? See, like I say, somebody's fighting and they're losing, right? Yeah? I say, well, good. Any other way stands a better chance of working than what you're doing. I mean, you could piss your pants and it stands a better chance of working than what you're doing. See, you could do stupid things, it stands a better chance. But why? Well, because what you're doing is not working. Do you get it? See? It's not working. So if you keep insist on doing that, it'll continue not working. See? You have to do very different things. Did I tell you about the go the Go example, playing Go with a ranked player. You know, and it was the first time anybody beat me. You know, and he beat me. See? And so we played again. And I beat him the second time. And like I said, his statement was, you didn't play at all like you did the first time. And I said, no, you beat me the first time. Why would I play like that again? Now most people are not that quick of learners. They really aren't. I mean, seriously aren't. In the martial world, people are so stuck in their ways, you can manipulate them quite easily. And if they will do something, they'll do something again and again and again. And you can do something, like I could, I'll do something that works against them, and I could do it again and again and again and again, and they don't learn. I say, but pay attention. See, it's like the way you're thinking, see, the way you're perceiving this is causing you some pain here. Like, pay attention. Why don't you pay attention to what's going on? And they don't. They live in these worlds of, I mean, not that you would know this, but they live in these kind of small worlds where their boundaries are here, 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 and that's it. That's all that can happen. That's all that can happen. Boom, 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 boom. That's all that can happen. I gotta keep operating. No, you don't. That's part of that thing. I'm going to tell you, but I can't beat this person. Could anybody beat this person? Surely they can. Good, then be that person. Well, no, I can't. I have to be myself. Why? Yourself sucks. In this case, yourself doesn't work. What you call being yourself, or you're doing it your way. See? So do it another way. Be a different person, and one that's more effective, I would recommend. But anything else, like I say, if it doesn't work, anything stands a better chance. You know what I'm saying? See? Anyway, and these distinctions are useful to notice.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.